G'day, Mick Duck here. Thanks for joining me on another adventure. Today we're around the Heathcote and Royal National Park. Real quick overnighter, so let's get into it. Echidna just saw us coming down the track, it just buried itself for protection. I can't believe the sun has actually come out. Like, it was so cloudy. It's still, the track is so wet, but yeah, it's pretty hot here right now, so just taking a little break. It's really beautiful here, all the outcrops. Got some blue sky as well. So we did this kind of bit of last minute. So we looked online and there was a spot available at one of the campsites here in the national park. So we booked it, jumped in the car, we arrived at the station. We started at Heathcote Station and we arrived at about 2 o'clock. So hopefully we'll get to this campsite about 5-ish. We'll see how the time goes. Have a look at this spot. So we just came across the creek here. It's pretty high because of some heavy rain recently and a bit dodgy. We took our packs off and passed them across, but found a kind of safe kind of spot to cross. Definitely got the heart pumping, but now we've got a few steps to kind of get up and get back up the ridge. So I've just come from Heathcote and Kangaroo Creek where we got crossed. We're not going to go down to Audley. We're going to head up here, head off to the waterfall where we're staying tonight. So about 5k in, we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere, and look what comes across on the track. It's an old lawnmower. How good is this? We're getting close to our destination now. We can hear the waterfalls that we're camping next to, so it's pretty exciting. I think we found our little spot here. It's pretty flat ground. Here's our Big Agnes UL3. Perfect for 2 people. Love it. About 10-kilometre walk in here. Really great scenery. The track was super wet. Lots of, not so much mud, but really just the track was basically a river. So if you're heading out this way, highly recommend some Gore-Tex boots, but otherwise it's been great. Scenery's been awesome. Now we're here at the waterfalls. Got the Mountain Culture Amarillo by Sunshine. This is a West Coast IPA, just came out last week. And then this is Batch Brew, the Collaborathon with This one's batch brewing in Wayward. This is a New Zealand experimental hop. Should be pretty tasty. Good night. See you in the morning. Well, good morning. Pretty eventful night, lots of rain, but we slept both slept pretty good. We've been up this morning, we've had some coffee, had some breakfast, and now we're just going to slowly pack up the site. So we're all packed up. It's been a fun little camp so far. The only problem was that at the campsite there was so much rubbish, so I've done a huge collection. I'll show you the amount of collection of rubbish in my backpack, but it's a huge garbage bag full. So if you come out in the bush, please take your rubbish with you, especially in national parks. So I just watched the video back of the recording of all the rubbish on my pack, and it's bigger than my pack, so it's crazy. Please, people, just take your rubbish with you. Okay, so this morning we packed up everything, cleaned up all the rubbish. Now we're heading back to Heathcote Station. We're going to stop off at Karlu Pools. We've probably only got about, I don't know, 4 Ks or something like that to do, so not very much. So it's only, I think, maybe a K and a half or something like that to get to Karlu Pools, but I'll show you that when we get there. Make off in the distance there, the CBD of Sydney, but look at this view. So that river, that's the track. Pretty wet. So we just had a stop here at Karlu Pools. Now we're heading back up to the station. It says 2.5 kilometres, about 1 hour 15, so we'll see at the end. So we're getting to the end of the track. It's been a great little fun overnighter. Thanks for joining, thanks for following along. It'd be great if you leave a comment, let me know your favourite part of the trip, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this adventure, there's heaps of overnight trips you can do around Waterfall and Heathcote train stations, basically on both sides. A couple of loop tracks between each station, or like this one we did down Kangaroo Creek and then looping back, staying overnight at all of the falls and then back to Heathcote Station. But plenty around, just do some research and you'll find something for you.